You get yourself a drink in the cup.
You okay? You okay? It's okay. Here.
The water's cold.
Here, let me wipe your face off. Here. There you go. Shake it off. Now shake it off. Shake it off. Yeah, there you go. Good. If you get hurt, shake it off. Oh, thanks. Here, can I pour it into your cup? Can I pour water into your cup? Here, hold your cup up. Hold it up. Here we go. Ready? Oh, it's full. Oh no, it's overflowing. Oh no!
Judy!
You want to try out the slide again?
You do the slide, Will? Okay. Ready. On your mark. Get set. Go! Whoa!